Hey guys, it's Eric from Nomad. Already the pollen season is getting pretty crazy. You're probably seeing it on your car, and if not, if you have allergies, those are definitely starting to act up. So I wanted to talk a little bit about how properly maintaining your car can actually help your allergies. When you're getting your oil changed, you may hear us talk about an air filter. That's actually what your engine uses to clean the air that your engine breathes. However, often overlooked part of your car is the in-cabin air filter. That usually hides in here, behind your glove box. And this is actually the filter that your air conditioner and heater use to clean the air that you breathe. So if your allergies are acting up and you want us to make sure that your car is a comfortable, allergy-free cocoon, you can just add in-cabin microfilter on to your next oil change. It's also a pretty easy do-it-yourself. That's assuming you have the time or you're not already huddled inside with your tissues because your allergies are acting up. Link in bio for a special offer for Instagram followers, or for anyone else, give us a call or line up an appointment on nomadoil.com and we'll take care of your air filter. Thanks, bye.